Today we are going to learn Chapter 2, Human Reproduction. Human reproductive system is essential for the survival of the species. Reproduction is inevitable for the existence of the species. Now, we are going to learn the functions of reproductive system. It helps to produce the gametes. What are the gametes? Sperm and ova. And it helps to transport and sustain these gametes. Okay? Third point. It helps to nurture the developing offspring. Fourth point. It helps to produce hormones. So these four are the functions of reproductive system. Next, we are going to learn events, major reproductive events in human being. Number 1, gametogenesis. Number 2, insemination. Number 3, fertilization. Number 4, cleavage. Number 5, implantation. Number 6, placentation. Number 7, gastrulation. Number 8, organogenesis. Number 9, parturition. Let's see gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? The formation of gametes by spermatogenesis and oogenesis. That is gametogenesis. Next, insemination. What is insemination? Transfer of sperm by the male into the female genital tract. That is insemination. What is insemination? Transfer of sperm by the male into the female reproductive tract. Okay? The third one, fertilization. What is fertilization? Fusion of male and female gametes. That is fertilization. It helps to form zygote. Then zygote is formed in the process of fertilization. Fourth one, cleavage. What is cleavage? Rapid mitotic division of the zygote. The single cell zygote undergo mitotic division that is cleavage. At the end of the cleavage, multicellular structure, that is blastocyst, is formed. It's clear cell. The single cell converted into multicell by the process of mitotic division. That is cleavage. The next one, implantation. What is implantation? Attachment of the blastocyst in the uterine wall, in the female uterus uterine wall. That is implantation. Okay? Next, placentation. Formation of placenta, which intimate connection between the fetus and the uterine wall of the mother. It helps to exchange the nutrients between the fetus and mother. That is placentation. Understand? Next, gastrulation. What is gastrulation? The blastocyst, multicellular structure. The blastocyst changed into 3 primary germ layer. that is called gastrula. The blastocyst converted into gastrula. What is gastrula? 3 primary germ layers: ectodome, endodome, mesodome. These are the 3 primary germ layers. This is gastrulation. Okay. Next, organogenesis. What do you mean organogenesis? The formation of a particular tissue, organ system from these 3 germ layers. That is called organogenesis. Clear, children? Last, the 9th one, parturition. What is parturition? Expulsion of the fetus from the mother's womb. That is called parturition. Once again, liberation of, expulsion of the fetus from the mother's womb, uterus. That is called parturition. Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn human reproductive system. Let's see the male reproductive system first, then female reproductive system. You can see male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists a pair of testes, accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia. Pair of testes. Testes, it's a plural. Testis is a singular. Children, the male reproductive system, it consists, once again I am saying, number 1, a pair of testes. Number 2, accessory ducts. Number 3, glands. Number 4, external genitalia. Let's see first the testes. Testes. Where is the testes? This testes is located inside the scrotum. What is scrotum? A scrotum is a sac of skin that hangs outside the abdominal cavity. Children, understand? So it's a ovoid body. Clear? Now, the scrotum is placed outside the abdominal cavity and provide a temperature of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, lower than the normal internal body temperature. The scrotum, it acts as a thermoregulator for spermatogenesis. So shortly, scrotum, it's a sac. It's hanging outside the abdominal cavity. This inside the scrotum only test is present. It acts as a thermoregulator for the production of spermatogenesis, for the process of spermatogenesis. Understand, children? Okay, I think it's clear to you. Now, inside the scrotum, testis is there. The testis is covered by a outermost fibrous layer. It is called tunica albuginea. Okay, and the testis divided by many septums. Septa plural, septum is singular. The testis is divided by septum into 200 to 250 lobules. Okay, and it is a highly coiled testicular tubules or seminiferous tubule. Shortly, the testis consist seminiferous tubules. How the seminiferous tubules is formed? By septum. The testis inside the testis. The septum is divided into 200 to 250 tubules, lobules, and it contains seminiferous tubule. I think now it is understand to you. Now it is understanding. Then I want to say about two kind of cells. Inside the testis, serotolite cell is there and spermatogonic cell is there and Leydig cell is there. Serotolite cells. Serotolite cell is a pyramidal structure. Children, it nourishes the sperm. Nourish the sperm until it matures. Okay. Next, spermatogonic cells. This cell divide meiotically and differentiate to produce sperm. Okay. The last, Leydig cell or interstitial cell. These cells secrete hormones like androgen, namely testosterone hormones. Okay, these are all the contents included in the testes. Next, in the male reproductive system, the next one, accessory ducts. Accessory ducts are reed testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. Okay, these are the accessory ducts associated with the male reproductive system. Clear, children? Okay. Then the third part, accessory glands. The male reproductive system comprises glands also. What are the accessory glands in the male reproductive system? Number 1, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland. It is also called as Cowper's gland and prostate glands. Once again, a pair of seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland, also called as Cowper's gland and prostate gland. The seminal vesicle, now I am going to say the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle secrete a alkaline fluid called seminal plasma. It contains fructose sugar, ascorbic acid, prostaglandins, and coagulating enzyme called vesiculase. Okay. Now the seminal vesicle secrete semen or seminal fluid. It is a milky white fluid, children, and it containing sperm and the seminal plasma. Clear, children? Clear? I think it's clear to you. Next, the last one, penis. That is external genitalia. The penis is a male external genitalia functioning as a copulatory organ. Okay. The enlarged end of the penis called glans penis. It covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin or prepuce. Once again, I want to say the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists a pair of testes, accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia. Okay, now you understand, I think so. Bye, children.